Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to convert or swap USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet. And just to clarify, we won't be utilizing the built-in swapping feature on Trust Wallet. Instead, we will be using an external swapping service. To proceed, you should open your browser and search for PancakeSwap Finance Swap. You'll notice that this address is the second option in my search history. And this is the address that you want to enter. Now, let me go ahead and click on the link. And as you can see, we are now on the Pancake website. And here, you can exchange BNB for any token you wish by searching for it. However, in this case, we will be exchanging for USDT. Next, we will search for USDT by tapping it into the search bar. Once it appears, we will click on it and then select TRX as our destination token. And you can search for TRX in the same way. And as you can see, you just go ahead and do that, and then once that happens, you're going to want to put in the amount, and let's say maybe I want to convert 10,000 worth of dollars of USDT, and it's going to do a little conversion here. So basically, that's how you go ahead and convert. Now, make sure you guys have your wallet connected. If you don't have your wallet connected, unfortunately, you won't be able to make any transactions. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.